Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you an amazing new app setup that lets you watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No subscription, no hidden fees, just pure entertainment. Plus, I have a quick step-by-step installation guide coming up that takes just a few minutes. You are watching TechVibes. If you want to keep these apps running smoothly without any annoying buffering, make sure to use NordVPN on your device. Check out the installation link right down in the description and top pinned comment. So, why are cable bills skyrocketing while the streams keep lagging? It usually comes down to data throttling from your internet provider, or heavy server traffic on the default networks. Let us fix that right now and unlock the best free content out there. Step 1. Install Tubi TV. Check this out, it is a total game changer for movie lovers. Go to your device app store, search for Tubi, click download. Once it installs, open the app. You do not even need an account to start streaming. They have over 50,000 movies and shows completely legal. Step 2. Get Pluto TV. This app is perfect for live channel surfing. Open your app store, search for Pluto TV, click install. Launch the app and you will instantly get a cable-like guide with hundreds of live channels. It is super snappy and entirely free. Step 3. Set up Plex. This one is a no-brainer for cord cutters. Search for Plex in your app store, download and open it. Skip the media server setup if you want and just click on the free movies and live TV section. You get premium studio hits without paying a dime. Step 4. Download Freevee. This is Amazon's hidden gem for premium originals. Search your app store for Freevee. Hit download, open the app and log in with a standard free Amazon account. You get massive blockbusters and high-quality shows with zero subscription fees. Step 5. Install the Roku Channel app. You do not need a Roku device for this. Search for the Roku channel on your Fire Stick, phone, or smart TV. Download it, open it up. Enjoy thousands of free on-demand titles and live news streams instantly. Here is a quick pro tip to boost your streaming speeds. Go into your device network settings. Change your privacy or network connection from the standard layout to a static option. Manually set your primary DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. Set your secondary DNS to DNS 8.8.4.4. This connects you straight to the Google public servers. It bypasses internet provider throttling. Your free apps will load much faster. Also, if you use a streaming box, make sure your high-speed cable is plugged into a port labeled HDMI 2.1. For wireless setups, always connect your streaming device to the 5 GHz wireless network instead of the older 2.4 GHz band. Drop a comment below if you face any difficulty during the setup. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechVibes. You can absolutely ditch that expensive cable bill today and enjoy premium TV for free. See you in the next one.